Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Proficient in English with Binus, and I'm Listia, your instructor. And this module will talk about the Battle of Ambarawa. Oke, teman-teman semua, setelah teman-teman selesai menonton video ini, diharapkan teman-teman bisa menjelaskan konten atau isi dari historical event text atau recount text yang berisi penjelasan atau cerita tentang historical events. Bagaimana? Sudah siap? Ayo mulai. Sekarang teman-teman akan membaca teks tentang the Battle of Ambarawa. You can pause the video and read the text in your own pace. Or you can read it with me and I will read it aloud with you. Are you ready? Let's start. The Battle of Ambarawa. The Battle of Ambarawa was a battle between the recently created Indonesian Army and the British Army that occurred between 20 October and 15 December 1945 in Ambarawa, Indonesia. On 20 October 1945, Allied troops under the command of Brigadier Battle landed in Semarang to disarm Japanese troops. Initially, the troops were welcome in the area, with Central Java's governor, Wongso Negoro, agreeing to provide them with food and other necessities in return for the Allies' promise to respect Indonesia's sovereignty and independence. However, when Allied and Nika troops began freeing and arming freed Dutch prisoners of war in Ambarawa and Magelang, many locals were angered. Indonesian troops under the command of Lieutenant Colonel M. Sarbini began besieging Allied troops stationed in Magelang in reprisal of their attempted disarmament. On the morning of 23 November 1945, Indonesian troops began firing on Allied troops stationed in Ambarawa. A counterattack by the Allies forced an Indonesian army to retreat to the village of Bedono. On 11 December 1945, Sudirman held a meeting with various commanders of the Indonesian army. The next day, at 4:30 a.m., the Indonesian army launched an assault on the Allies in Ambarawa. Indonesian artillery pounded Allied positions, which were later overrun by infantry. When the Semarang-Ambarawa highway was captured by Indonesian troops, Sudirman immediately ordered his forces to cut off the supplies routes of the remaining Allied troops by using a pincer maneuver. The battle ended 4 days later, on 15 December 1945, when Indonesia succeeded in regaining control over Ambarawa and the Allies retreated to Semarang. Oke, teman-teman semua, let's answer the reading comprehensions question. The questions that follow are based on the previous text about the Battle of Ambarawa. Let's go over them one by one. What is the passage about? When and where did the battle take place? What caused the battle? Draw a diagram that shows chronologically the events that led to the battle. Who was the prominent figure in the battle, and what did he do? And lastly, have you read other texts that look similar? What are they, and where can you find them? Oke, teman-teman bisa pause videonya dan mulai jawab pertanyaannya satu persatu. Nanti kembali lagi untuk review bersama saya. Alright, let's check our answer. Yang pertama, what is the passage about? The passage is about the Battle of Ambarawa. And when and where did the battle take place? It occurred between 20 October and 15 December 1945 in Ambarawa. What caused the battle? Draw a diagram that shows chronologically the events that led to the battle. Well, this is the diagram chronologically to show the events that led to the battle. Silakan teman-teman bisa pause videonya dan baca satu persatu kotak di dalam diagram ini apakah sesuai dengan jawaban teman-teman sebelumnya. Oke, pertanyaan selanjutnya. Who was the prominent figure in the battle? And what did he do? The answer is, it was General Sudirman. General Sudirman was a high-ranking Indonesian military officer during the Indonesian National Revolution Wars, included the Battle of Ambarawa. He was the first commander of Indonesian National Armed Forces. In the Battle of Ambarawa, Sudirman led the Indonesian army to launch an assault on the Allies. Indonesian artillery pounded the Allied positions, in which later overrun by infantry. When the Semarang-Ambarawa highway was captured by Indonesian troops, General Sudirman immediately ordered his forces to cut off the supplies routes of the remaining Allied troops by using a pincer maneuver. As a result, Indonesia won the fight. And lastly, have you read other texts that look similar? What are they and where can you find them? Well, the text is called recount text. Dan teman-teman bisa menemukan recount text tentang historical event di dalam buku-buku sejarah, majalah-majalah yang membahas dan mengulas tentang sejarah, dan tentu saja jurnal-jurnal yang mengulas tentang sejarah. Bagaimana? Sekarang teman-teman jadi lebih mengerti ya tentang recount text about historical events. Well, this is the end of our video session. I will see you in other video. Bye for now.